That it is natural does not mean it is safe. I know natural skincare sounds simple, clean, and better for your skin, but some natural ingredients can easily irritate, clog, or even damage your skin. Now, let's talk about what to avoid and why. A few years ago, I went all in on natural skincare, DIY mask, essential oil, and the whole deal. But I ended up with redness, breakouts, and a damaged skin barrier. I was doing everything right, or so I thought. Turns out that some of these most helped natural ingredients are not as skin friendly as we think. Number one is lemon juice. Lemon juice is super acidic, like pH 2 acidic, and it can burn or seriously irritate your skin, especially with sun exposure, resulting to chemical burns and long-term sensitivity. Just don't try it. Number two is baking soda. Baking soda feels like a cheap exfoliator, but it is way too alkaline for your skin barrier, and over time, it can strip your skin, causing dryness and irritation. Number three is coconut oil. Coconut oil is loved for moisture, but it is highly comedogenic. Comedogenic means that it clogs pores, especially for acne-prone skin. It is better for your body than your face. Don't use it on your face. Number four is undiluted essential oils. Essential oil can be very powerful, but to be used straight on your skin, that's risky. They can cause chemical burns, allergic reaction, or long-term sensitivity. Always dilute with a carrier oil, but keep them all together for your face. Look, natural ingredients are not the enemy, but smart skincare means knowing what works and what's just hype. Always patch tests, do your research, and when in doubt, simply let it go. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and share to your loved ones. Also, leave in the comments a natural ingredient you've stopped using. Where are you watching from? Leave in the comment section. I would like to say hi. Thank you so much for watching till the end. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.